Hello guys, this is moderator Kersteen. I'm inviting you to join the LCIF Association. When you become a member, you can get discounts. Or if you want to wish to become a certified coach, and those with businesses can become a partner merchant, you can find the link below in this video. Hello guys, mai-share na naman ako na recipe. Magluluto po ako ngayon ng spicy chicken feet adobo. So, ang aking mga ingredients, chicken feet. So, kailangan lang walang kukot, tsaka malinis. Malinis na siya. And, ECB, red onion, fish sauce, lard, garlic, paprika powder, ground black pepper, brown erythritol, and chili green.